Sarah and Auntie. Sarah and her uncle and Auntie. Sarah and her great grandma. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's another day of our trip, and we are out and about. Not so early this morning, but it's just past midday, and we are on our way to my brother-in-law, to Babe Fam Bam, to Babe brother. Say morning, honey.
Morning, guys.
Say morning, Ty. And Sarah is sleeping. You guys, we're on our way to my brother-in-law. We got rested a little bit.
My brother and my friend.
It's not your brother, it's your uncle.
No, my friend too.
Yes, it's your friend and your uncle, right? Right?
Yeah.
Right, your friend Jules. So we're on our way to my brother-in-law for lunch, and then after lunch we're just gonna relax and chit chat and chill and catch up. Of course, Sarah will be meeting her uncle for the first time, so that's going to be awesome. After that, in the evening, we are heading to Tyler's cousin Babe's nephew first birthday party, the same little boy that you guys saw Tyler playing with in yesterday's vlog. He just turned 1, so yeah, Babe's sister's son. We're heading to his birthday party, so we're gonna have a long day today, and the celebration and meeting all the family continues. It was cool to see Sarah in her grandmother's arms and stuff like that, so it will be cool of her meeting everybody going along the way for the rest of the days that we'll be here. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. We love you guys, and we are heading to have a good day.
Mais non. Ah, papy Stéphane. Salut.
Sarah and her uncle and Auntie.
Non, elle te fixe là. Là, elle te regarde.
Look, she's just staring at Sebastian like.
Là, elle te regarde en me disant, mais c'est qui celui-là? Pourquoi il me tient dans ses bras? Je ne le connais pas.
She's not taking her eyes off of you.
T'as dormi dans la voiture? Hein?
Oh my god. She's just looking at you non-stop.
C'est Superwoman.
Oh.
Salut.
Bébé.
Jules and Tyler playing game. You have to teach me how to play this game.
Regarde, you have to put it the closest. Attends, Jules, ça t'aide.
Babe teaching Ty how to. No, this way. Listen to Papa, Ty. Listen to Papa.
Et tu fais le plus près du jaune, d'accord? Voilà.
Good job, Ty.
C'est à Jules ou c'est à Tyler de jouer? C'est à Tyler, parce que c'est Jules qui est le plus près de la boule. Allez, tu reprends la boule.
So you have to try to get it close to the yellow.
Allez, encore un essai.
Tyler, try to catch it to the yellow one.
Good job. Oh, that's okay. Right. So it's like the closest one. So Jules got 2 points.
Tu mets 3 boules.
Oui, c'est compliqué.
Ouais, non, je sais pas comment elle part. J'avoue que je.
Après, j'ai ça, mais c'est souvent, hein, ils font ça avec l'Australie. Et après, ils prennent le permis PVT parce qu'ils le donnent. Et pendant 1 an.
are at babe nephew's birthday party, but the music is so high I won't be able to talk much, so you guys will just see a few footage. But I'm gonna show you guys Tyler's great grandmother right now.
Qu'est-ce que ça, il manque plus que c'est un peu de rhum.
That's Tyler's great grandmother in the glasses right here. And this is Tyler's auntie. Her is Tyler's auntie right there. She. And that's Tyler's auntie in the brown right there. Tyler's great grandmother here.
Timide n'a qu'un œil. Hein, t'es d'accord avec moi?
Où est Kiki? Et où est Kiki? Et oui.
Look at you! Fat boy! Fat boy! Fat boy! Come! No! Chilling with your grandma. Hello! Bye! Au revoir! Oh, you wait a bit close, Sarah. Sarah and her great grandma.
Tu te bouffais pas les moustiques?
Sarah and Auntie.
Ça va? Pas trop dur?
Non.
Si vous voulez. Et je me souviens que Bébé m'a dit qu'il faisait du Lego. Oh, il aime?
Le Lego?
Oui.
Il aime, oui. C'est moi qui fais ça.
Il me jette, tu sais.
Tu aimes? Tu peux faire un modèle?
Non, il aime bien ça. Tyler, look! It's a robot. It's another one. Ooh. Wow.
C'est ça que tu n'avais pas pu voir.
One more. Bisous à tonton et tata. Dis merci. You guys, the day has finally come to an end. We just got back home and ending today's vlog. Sarah is there. I'm about to take her out. You guys can tell that we just stepped in. You ready to come out, princess? Come on. Come on. So we're just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. He's eager to go play with his Legos. Tyler got so many gifts from his aunties and uncles, so he's gonna play with them right now.